In this video, I'll show you how to build a real-time inventory dashboard in Tableau for Shopify stores. First, connect your Shopify inventory data to Tableau using a supported connector or data source. Next, open Tableau and create a new workbook. Now, select the inventory data source and make sure fields like product name, SKU, location, inventory quantity, and update time are available. After that, create a worksheet for current inventory and add the product and SKU fields to the view. Next, add inventory quantity and use colors to highlight products with low or zero stock. Now create additional worksheets for inventory by location and products that need restocking. After that, combine these worksheets into a new dashboard and arrange the charts so the most important inventory information is easy to find. Next, add filters for product, SKU, and location so users can quickly find specific inventory. Finally, set the data source to refresh automatically according to your connector's available schedule. Then publish the dashboard to Tableau so it can be accessed and updated with the latest Shopify inventory data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a real-time inventory dashboard in Tableau for Shopify stores. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.